Ancient Rome, a civilization known for its might and grandeur, relied on a well-structured system of taxation to fund its vast empire. Just like today, taxes were essential for maintaining the army, building roads and aqueducts, and even funding the lavish spectacles that entertained the Roman populace. Imagine a society where the price of your existence, your land, and even your trade contributed to the glory of Rome. This was the reality for the people living under the rule of the Caesars. Taxes, while often viewed as a burden, played a crucial role in shaping the socio-economic landscape of ancient Rome. From the bustling markets of the city to the farthest reaches of the empire, the tentacles of Roman taxation reached everyone, shaping lives and influencing destinies. Understanding Roman taxation provides us a unique window into the inner workings of this ancient superpower. It reveals how they maintained their military dominance, constructed impressive infrastructure, and financed their opulent lifestyle. But Roman taxation wasn't just about filling the coffers, it was also a tool of power and control. It was used to maintain order, to reward loyalty, and to punish dissent. Understanding this complex system allows us to appreciate the challenges faced by both the Roman state and its citizens. This essay delves into the fascinating world of Roman taxation, exploring its various forms, its impact on society, and its enduring legacy on modern tax systems. Through this exploration, we'll uncover the fascinating interplay between economic policy and imperial power that characterized ancient Rome. From the grain taxes that fed the populace to the tributes exacted from conquered territories, prepare to journey back in time and discover the intricate world of Roman taxation. Roman taxation was not a one-size-fits-all system. It encompassed a variety of taxes, each levied on different aspects of Roman life. This ensured a steady stream of revenue for the state while impacting various social classes and economic activities. Let's delve into the specifics of some of these taxes to understand their scope and impact. One of the most important taxes was the tributum soli, a tax on land and property. This tax, applicable to Roman citizens and conquered subjects alike, was based on the size and productivity of one's land holdings. It served as a primary source of revenue for the Roman state, funding military expeditions and infrastructure projects. Then there was the tributum capitis, or poll tax. This tax, as its name suggests, was levied on every individual regardless of their wealth or social standing. It was a simple headcount tax, highlighting the Roman state's reach and its ability to tax even the poorest in society. Beyond these fundamental taxes, Rome levied taxes on various goods and services. These included the portoria, customs duties imposed on goods entering or leaving Roman territory. These taxes on trade, while generating substantial revenue, also served to regulate commerce and protect Roman industries. Then we have the vicesima manumissionis, a 5% tax on the freeing of slaves. This tax, while seemingly unusual, reflects the significance of slavery in Roman society and the state's interest in even the most personal transactions. These examples illustrate the diversity and reach of Roman taxation. From the land they owned to the goods they traded, and even the act of freeing a slave, Romans encountered taxes in various aspects of their lives. This complex system, while essential for the empire's functioning, also had profound social and economic implications. The actual process of tax collection in ancient Rome was a complex affair, often involving a network of officials, intermediaries, and systems to ensure efficiency and prevent corruption. Unlike the centralized tax systems of today, Rome relied on a combination of direct and indirect taxation methods, each with its own set of procedures and challenges. Direct taxes, such as the land and poll taxes, were typically collected by Roman officials known as censors. These powerful individuals were responsible for conducting censuses, assessing property values, and determining the tax liability of each citizen. This information was meticulously recorded and updated, forming the basis for tax collection. However, for indirect taxes like the customs duties, Rome often outsourced the collection process to private individuals called publicani. These tax farmers would bid for the right to collect taxes in specific regions or on specific goods. They were then responsible for collecting the taxes and paying a fixed sum to the Roman treasury, keeping any surplus as profit. This system, while seemingly efficient, was prone to abuse. Publicani, driven by profit, often resorted to extortionate practices, charging exorbitant rates and exploiting the populace. This led to resentment and resistance, often culminating in protests and unrest. To mitigate these issues, Rome implemented various oversight mechanisms. They established courts to hear complaints against corrupt tax collectors and instituted systems of accountability to monitor the activities of publicani. Despite these measures, tax collection in ancient Rome remained a challenging endeavor. The vastness of the empire, coupled with logistical constraints and the ever-present threat of corruption, made it a constant balancing act for the Roman state. Yet the effectiveness of their tax system, however imperfect, played a pivotal role in sustaining the Roman Empire for centuries. The legacy of Roman taxation extends far beyond the fall of the empire. Their innovative approaches to taxation, administrative structures, and even their struggles with tax evasion have left an indelible mark on modern tax systems. By studying Roman taxation, we gain a deeper appreciation for the historical roots and evolutionary trajectory of this essential governmental function. One of the most enduring legacies of Roman taxation is the concept of direct taxation based on land and property. This principle, first established by the Romans, continues to underpin property tax systems in many countries today. The idea that those who benefit most from public services, such as roads and security, should contribute proportionally through taxes on their assets has its roots in Roman fiscal policies. Moreover, the Roman reliance on indirect taxes, such as customs duties and sales taxes, also finds resonance in modern tax regimes. Beyond specific tax types, the Roman experience offers valuable lessons in tax administration. Their meticulous record-keeping, use of censuses, and attempts to establish oversight mechanisms to prevent corruption provide insights into building more efficient and equitable tax systems. Furthermore, the challenges faced by the Romans, such as tax evasion, the use of tax havens, and the struggle to balance revenue generation with public welfare, resonate with contemporary tax policy debates. In conclusion, the Roman system of taxation, while belonging to a bygone era, continues to cast a long shadow on modern fiscal policies. By studying their successes and failures, we gain a richer understanding of the complexities of taxation and its enduring importance in shaping societies and civilizations. From the grandeur of Roman architecture to the principles enshrined in modern tax codes, the legacy of Roman taxation is all around us, a testament to the enduring impact of this ancient